Hello, so here's like a fun weapon I made that's a butterfly knife. Actually it's not really because I added a small mechanism here, right here, so which doesn't make it a butterfly knife anymore and makes it more like a automatic opening knife. But not really useful in real life or even like the best type of knife since as you can see here there's a security, but as soon as I open this it opens on its own like this. And after it stays like this because of the rubber bands, so it's way quicker than the actual butterfly knife. You can throw it and catch it like this, you know? So that's actually fun to play with. There's a security here. It's really simple. Let me try to focus this. It's really simple like this, you know? You clips it. Anyways, here, right here. And the fun part with actually this build is that if I don't want it to be automatic anymore, I just have to remove the rubber bands. It's actually really simple. I can just like remove them right here, and remove them right here, and now I have an actual butterfly knife. I mean, I don't know how to use these, you know, but now it's actually looking like a butterfly knife. So it can really change really quickly, and there's still the security working and everything, which is good. And if I want to put it back in that fun automatic mode, which is more for fun than actually useful, because it would be really dangerous and kind of useless, because butterfly knife are really effective at what they're made to do, so there's no really like upgrades you can make to them. But here it's still fun to play with something that opens that fast, you know. So here, yeah, that was a quick build I made. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.